I see you every day at the same time at this station. You must be going somewhere, going to something.
Well, that's an interesting way of putting it. Yeah, I'm coming from something and going somewhere.
I don't want to reveal your identity. I'm going to go with superhero. You're a superhero.
Well, something like that, I guess.
I'm Quincy.
Hi, Quincy.
You must be coming from work, some office, some boring job.
Well, I don't work in an office.
I think every superhero needs a theme song. I have one for you.
Please.
Superhero theme song, coming out strong. You're wearing your disguises all over town. You're going uptown, you're going downtown. Superhero.
Amazing. Who knew that
Superhero theme song for you.
I don't know if you know this, but when you play, you can be heard at the 96th Street stop as well. Close by is the D train from the 59 to 125th. If you are unlucky, you might get some showtime dancers that kick in the head while you try to walk past. But if you're lucky, then you get a musician who plays beautiful music for like 6 or 7 minutes. And that means you get 2 full songs. Amazing, right? If this whole 86th Street station doesn't work out for you, you may want to consider the D train. With the manager? I'm just kidding. I wish I had your job. I mean, what's the expression? Once you love what you're doing, then it's not a job, is it?
Superhero theme song.
I found her bag. I want to get it back to her. Her bag.
Disguises all over town. You're going uptown.